Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX582L. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your Asus UX582L where it can't hold a charge and dies just minutes after unplugging, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to a failing battery, which can be caused by age, wear and tear, or even software issues. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and potentially lead to more significant damage to your device. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and a replacement battery compatible with the Asus UX582L. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover of your Asus UX582L. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is typically positioned near the center of the device. You'll notice it is secured by several screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place for reassembly later. Now, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Use the spudger to help lift it off without applying too much force. With the battery cable removed, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your replacement battery and place it in the same position, ensuring the connectors align correctly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, applying only enough pressure to secure it without excessive force. Once everything is in place, replace the screws you previously removed to secure the new battery. Finally, reattach the back cover by pressing down firmly until you hear the clips snap back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider regularly calibrating your battery by fully charging and then fully discharging it occasionally. Additionally, avoiding extreme temperatures and keeping your device updated can help prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.